Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Hafizi binti Ahmad Zaid. Okay, next I will explain about the environmental analysis. Okay, environmental analysis is a strategic goal. It is a procedure to recognize all the external and internal components which can influence the organization performance. Okay, the analysis involve evaluate the level of threat or opportunity the factor may exhibit. Okay, these assessments are later converted into the decision-making process. Okay, this environmental analysis is divided into four. Okay, firstly is political factors. Okay, secondly is economic factors, social factors, and technological factors. Okay, for the political factors, okay, the associated political factors are the new governments. Okay, the new government change may affect the demands for the car purchases. Okay. One of them is due to the existence of the SST by the new government, which impacts the demands for cars. Okay, the customer willingness to get something depends on the price level of the cars. Okay, if the price of the car is expensive, the willingness to buy is low. Vice versa, the price is cheap, the willing to buy is high. Okay. Okay, secondly is about the economic factors. Okay, based on our views, the income level of UM residents is different. For students, the ability is moderate because some of them are doing part-time work while studying. Additionally, some of them get scholarship or loan from PTPTN. Okay, for the lecturers, their ability is more to excellence. Why? Because they have constant income, and most of them makes two jobs in one time. Okay, so this will help them cope with the day's expenses. Okay, next is the social factors. Okay, everyone has their own lifestyle. Okay, one's lifestyle can change over time with the growth of technology. Okay, like cars, the production of new car design is so fast. So the demands for the car designs slightly behind in going down. Okay, we as a car dealer need to pursue the latest car design in the market to give satisfactions to the customers. Okay, lastly is the technological factors. Okay, in this era, technology is everything because everything starts with the technology. Okay, especially phones. In a phones, they have a variety of apps which are primarily social media and online shop. Okay, we as a car dealer needs to give awareness to the people outsiders. Okay, such as we can expose via the Facebook and Instagram because the majority people nowadays use that platform to advertise their words or whatever. Okay, that's all for the environmental analysis. Okay, thank you.